Aloha and welcome, November 8th, 2021. I'm Digital Micro, and the first slide, new week, and Bitcoin is already out of the gate, pumping at 5%, 5.9, just under 6% on the Friday close. We're almost 6% above it. And look at the S&P 500 MES in comparison and the M2K Russell 2000. They're flat to just a little bit below. So again, good start for the new week. Here we are closing in on Thanksgiving. I'm staying long Bitcoin. That is the trade plan for the week because definitely I'm looking at a possibility of better than 75% that it can break this red resistance line. My other plan is not so good news is I'm still trapped in my M2K Russell 2000 short, so I'm going to lighten up and take a hit. If we get anything close to the low 2400s on a mild mean reversion dip, then I'm going to lighten the load here. The next chart is a Bitcoin 24-hour red line chart just to update the top red line all-time high. And right now on the far right green candle, you can see we've pierced the upper Bollinger Band, which everybody can see obvious. We're very compressed on the Bollinger Band. So upper to lower, very narrow. So that means with price consolidation, coiled energies building, and it looks to everybody like it's not going down. If it's not going down, we're going to get a break upwards. I've also made sure to hit on October 1st here on the left with the blue. We've got both the anchored VWAP, but I slapped on a linear regression. So the linear regression at the upper Bollinger Band here on November 8th, Globex, that's just the middle line on the regression. So upper line is definitely going to be 69,000, 70,000. So I do see that happening with a higher than 75% probability with this chart, just because we're not violating the lower red lines. The lower red line I just drew as support. A lot of wicks, not really any closes except for the 27th of October and the 28th. Other than that, we've mostly closed higher and above it all through November. So good start to the new week. Really like this 24-hour chart, and I'm very bullish here for the next 10 trading days of November. The Bitcoin monthly candle chart is showing bullish action. Here we are with the smaller bar up above into the wick area of last month. So it's filling the area that it couldn't close at the end of October, and that's where price action is these first 8 days in November. So this is very bullish. The reason it's bullish, number one, is we're filling in the wick, and number two, we're above the anchored volume weighted average price of October, which is 58,267. What I worry about retracement only if it goes below this level in the yellow. But as long as we stay here in the wick area of October, I'm very bullish, and this makes me bullish to get to the 70,000 here in a matter of days, possibly before Thanksgiving, maybe again a 75% probability. So that's where you have it for this week's trade plan. More than 52% allocated to Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks very bullish. We've got institutional adoption, and I don't look for anything really to derail this going into the holidays. Aloha. Thanks for watching. Take care. Mahalo.